Hello guys, I'm going to be doing a cough drop challenge. I already started putting some in there, so let's get started. That's 4, 5. This is the 6th one. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's 9. Let's add one more. By the way, this is what it looks like if you want to try the challenge. And then this is what the back looks like. Okay, we're going to add one more. Alright, 10. If it doesn't really get the mixture and the taste, then we're going to add, like, probably about a little bit more in there. Oh my gosh. Come on, work. Please work. Everybody cross your hands that it works. It's like, it's green. Okay, let's try it. Ew, it's disgusting. Let's try to put more in there because it's not really sour or nothing like that. $10, $11, $12, $13, $14. Alright, that's enough. Look at all these bags. Cough drop bags. Okay, let's hope it works. Ew. Get a good mixture. Okay, let's try some more. That's disgusting. No.